Hi, I'm Kim Carter, and today I'm going to be talking to you about why it is so important to drink water, because it affects your health greatly. And I know that there's a lot of people who think that drinking water is good, but they don't really know why it's good for you. And there's also some people who may not think it's that important. There's a lot of misconceptions about why you need to drink water and, oh, you don't need to drink that much water. Some people may think that only drinking water at meals is enough for them, or that drinking water doesn't affect your physical function, or drinking water can actually make you gain weight. And those are all false, and I hope I can show you that and show you what is actually true about why you need to drink water, through talking about how your body is actually made up of over half of your body mass is made up of water, and that water is needed to hold up the structure of your body, and water is needed to carry out almost every function of the body as well. And that's why drinking water is so important for your health. So starting off with the structure, every single cell in your body is made up partially of water. And so obviously that's a pretty important role. If your cells didn't have enough water, then you wouldn't be held together, and you really couldn't be a functioning human being. Another vital organ that is in desperate need of a lot of water is the brain. It's made up of over 90% of water. And if your brain doesn't function, then the rest of your body's not going to. Your blood and your lungs are also made up of 80 and 90% of water. And those are the things that also keep you alive and pumping and moving. Those are just internally structures that absolutely have to have tons of water to function. And so getting the necessary water for them is so important. And that's why you need to drink so much water. Moving on into the function part, because your structure absolutely has to have water, then your function is going to be affected by water as well. First off, your energy. So in the body, your body takes ATP, which is adenosine triphosphate, and it breaks it down. And this is through a process called hydrolysis. This is when water comes in and breaks up the ATP into an ADP, and some other stuff, and that's what makes it usable in your body for energy. And so without water, your body would not be able to have this hydrolysis process, and you wouldn't have any energy that you need in order for your blood to pump, or for your energy to think, or for your brain to function. So pretty much in every way, water is affecting your energy. Water also helps you eliminate your waste in your body. There's several different ways it helps you eliminate waste: through urination, and also through sweating, and in the processes of your liver. All of these different things help to take out the bad stuff in your body so that you aren't sick all the time. And so water really plays a role in helping prevent you to be sick and prevent disease in your body. And that's also another reason why it's so important for your health to drink water. And another way that the function is affected by water is through exercise and weight loss. And you may say, what? How is that even affected? But it's actually very much affected, because when you drink water, it allows your muscles to repair themselves, which, if you want to help build your muscles, they need to be repaired after you work them out hard. It also helps prevent dehydration, and I have personal experience with this. When I was in high school and I was on my cross country team, I was in a race, and it was like my first league meet race, and I did not drink enough water, and it was like 95 degrees outside and no shade, and I learned the lesson of not drinking enough water, and my body physically not being able to function because I passed out about 200 meters short of the finish line. And so that's just an example of how your body absolutely has to have water to keep going, otherwise it will shut down on you. And so those are just a few ways that your body has to have it for structure and for function. But kind of bringing it all together, your body has to have water. And it can even affect your outward appearance as well as your inward, as we've seen with the structure. The water that you drink is vital for your body function. Without enough water, we talked about how your brain can't function, and almost any other part of your body can't function. ATP can't be made into usable energy. All that stuff that we talked about is absolutely necessary for you to have water, to drink it in order to function. Water basically affects every part of who you are, whether it's you physically, mentally, it can even affect you emotionally. And the Lord has placed water and this vital need for it in our life. And so, and He calls us to take care of it and to use what He's given us. And He says that our body is a temple of Him and that we have to take care of it. And so that's why it is very important for you to be drinking water, because it affects your health greatly. Thank you.